Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to cut and sew short sleeve kaftan, and I'm going to use 1.5 yards for this kaftan. This is 1.5 yards. So I'm going to fold into 2. I will fold again. I have into 4. Full length is 35 inches. I'm going to sew with 1 inch. Full length is 35 inches. I will sew the bottom with 1 inch. Shoulder is 20 inches divided by 2 plus sewing allowance. I mark. Armhole, I will measure 10.5 inches. I mark. I will cut. So chest is 48 inches. I'm going to sew, use the same measurement from chest to the down part. From chest to down is 48 inches. So neckline is 3 inches. A notch. I'm going to cut the front neck. Placing my tape on the shoulder, I measure down 4 inches. I mark a U-neck and I will cut. So I'm going to measure from where I place my tape on. I will measure down 5 inches. And I'm going to cut. You can cut up to 7 to 8 inches depending on the head of the person, so it can pass through the head. You can cut 7 to 8 inches because I'm going to sew flap on it. So I will sew the shoulder after finish sewing flap on the front neck. So I'm going to cut, measure flap. Being that the one I cut is 5 inches, I measure 8 inches for flap and 3.5 by 8 inches. I will fold into 2 and place this way and sew to fall this way to the right side, not to the left side. So I don't have gum stay at home. I'm going to use thicker material for the flap. So this is the sleeve. Like I said, the shirt is a short sleeve kaftan. I fold into 4. This is into 4 for the 2 sleeve. Placing my tape this way, I will measure 9 inches and use the remaining 1 inch to hem So round sleeve is 16 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches plus sewing allowance. I will mark in cuts and notch on the shoulder. That is where we sew on the shoulder. And then notch the 1 inch. So like I said, I don't have gum stay at home, so I cut that thick material as gum stay. So I notch where the 5 inches ends. So I use this thick material as gum stay. If you have gum stay, you can use, but I don't have gum stay at home. So that is why I use this thick material. So I'm going to sew up to that 5 inches. After sewing, I will iron and bring this way and stitch on top. So I'm done sewing. I iron. So after ironing, I will fold this way. So I will fold this way and stitch on top. I will stitch on top. Then I will make any design of my choice on the down part. So I'm done with the sewing, and I sew shoulder. So I have my blue bias. Before then, I iron and I will trim this part out. It's not useful. So this is how it looks like. So I'm going to use my bias to turn the neck just like this. So this is how I will sew bias. So I'm done sewing. I iron, and after ironing, I will stitch down. Just like this. When I'm done doing that, I will sew the two sides of the kaftan or shirts. I will sew both sides and hem the bottom, and the sleeve I will fold into two and measure 8 inches. That is 16 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches. I will sew just like this the two sleeves. So I'm done sewing the two sides, hem the bottom. and I sew one sleeve. I'm done sewing the neckline, so neat, and I'm going to sew the second sleeve. So I place the second sleeve like this, and I will sew round. So I will sew press button. I'm done sewing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.